This presentation speaks to airflow adjustment components. They are the dampers and other terminals which are used to direct and adjust air volumes in ducts. Louvers. Louvers are multi-bladed sections of aluminum or steel construction to architecturally affect openings in the outside walls of buildings or the doors within the building. These openings are generally used for intake or exhaust air within the air distribution system. Dampers. Balance dampers are adjustable bladed airflow equipment which are used to restrict or decrease the flow of air through a duct or an outlet. A grill. A grill is an opening with slots which supplies or exhausts air to or from a zone. A register. A register is a grill with a damper added to it. Registers with adjustable volume dampers are found on supply, return, and exhaust duct systems and are necessary for proper balancing of the system. A loosely hinged damper, which is held open by a fusible link which is made of heavy gauge steel, is called a fire damper. When the temperature in the duct melts the fusible link, the damper slams shut since the blades are installed to close with the flow of air rather than against the flow of air. Mixing damper. This airflow equipment are sets of dampers which are installed in the return air duct and the outside air intake duct, which are usually linked together and are often motorized. The purpose is to be able to adjust the mixture of outside and return air by closing one and opening the other simultaneously to any desired setting. Dampers. Dampers may be of a multi-shutter type or opposed blade type. The multi-shutter variety have a series of gang-operated blades which rotate in the same direction. The opposed blade variety have adjacent blades which rotate in opposite directions. Opposed blade dampers are more desirable since they do not have a tendency to turn or deflect air in any direction as do the multi-shutter type. Airflow dampers. Locking quadrants. Most dampers in ducts or registers are operated by removable keys, fixed or removable levers, or locking quadrant hardware, which allow locking in one position. Splitter dampers. These dampers are used to help proportion the static pressure equally between two ducts at a transition in the duct. Turning vanes. These are devices with adjustable or fixed curved parallel blades, the purpose of which is to turn the flow of air in a different direction. They are installed at 90-degree elbows to assist in turning the air with a minimum buildup of static pressure. Straightening grids. Straightening grids are simply devices made up of straight parallel blades used to straighten out the flow of air in ductwork, usually installed just upstream from a diffuser or register so that the air will flow evenly across the deflecting blades to achieve proper throw patterns. Diffusers. Sealing diffusers are terminal air distribution devices which are used for supply purposes. They are connected to the branch ducts of air distribution systems at the ceiling. They are available with or without volume control dampers and in round, square, or rectangular configurations. Thank you very much for listening. Bye now.